G'day, here's 3 pieces of seam opal from Lightning Ridge. First little piece, easy little bar to cut. Nice and bright. Second piece is a lot more multicoloured. Greens, yellows, golds, bit of red there in the middle. How far that goes through, it's a bit wavy, that's the only problem with it. Looks like there's a bar on the end here, maybe cut it across there, follow that as one, and then the left hand side is a different stone, this piece. A little bit wavy, but make that the top, I think. Again, perhaps another stone on this end. Anyway, there's 3 nice little pieces for you to play with. Cheers.